Okay, so let's take a look at the AMA definition of marketing. We'll go to their website, ama.org. Okay, here is the definition. Marketing is the activity, set of institutions, and processes for creating, communicating, delivering, and exchanging offerings that have value for customers, clients, partners, and society at large. The first thing you notice about this definition is it is a very broad view of marketing. It talks about activity, set of institutions, and what it really means by set of institutions are not just the companies themselves, but other companies that the companies do businesses with. Typically the members of the marketing channel, the distribution partners, the suppliers, etc., and the processes within organization. Actually, this could mean any kinds of process in an organization. Could mean manufacturing processes, could mean R&D development, and so on and so forth. So it's a very broad definition, and another evidence of how broad it is. See, they use the word offerings instead of products. That's because they want this definition to be applicable to a vast range of organizations. For example, Red Cross, if you take Red Cross, to say that Red Cross offers a product, it's a bit odd. So the term offering is general enough to cover many organizations. You can definitely spend some time thinking about what this definition means, what its implications are, but I'll give you my short view of it. I think it's extremely broad, and it's not exactly very practical. To be honest, somebody looking at this definition might not be very clear about what it is that marketers should do, what it is that marketing does exactly or concretely in an organization. So what I have done is I have come up with my own conceptualization of the B view, or the aspirational view. It's not a short definition, so I'd like to warn you. So, as you're seeing on the screen right now, it's a lot of words, but I'll try and decode this for you. So to me, if you want to really expand the view of marketing, it becomes generating, understanding, and utilizing. Three things: generating, understanding, and utilizing information, insight, or predictions related to customers. So you take information, insight, or predictions that you've made about customers, you generate that, you try and understand it, and you try to use it. I'll talk about the part in the parentheses in a moment. So the first part is generating, understanding, and utilizing information, insight, or predictions related to customers to make decisions, produce actions, or design processes. To make decisions in an organization, or to produce other kinds of actions. For example, the CEO giving a speech, or the company releasing a press release. These are all actions that can also be informed by what you know about your customers. But the final goal of all this is to lead to effective, competitive, profitable, and sustainable organizational performance in the marketplace. I haven't written that part, but it basically means that the end goal of everything, taking all this customer-based insight, information, predictions, etc., is to lead to decisions or actions or processes which would in turn lead the organization to perform very effectively, competitively, profitably, and sustainably in the marketplace. Now, this is a mouthful, I will admit, and it takes a lot to understand what this definition really means, but I have a sort of a shortcut for you. The third article that you would read in the series of 9 articles that you would read over the semester, article number 3 is on General Electric, GE. You will see this definition come alive in this article. So when I'm going to present this article to you, or you're going to read it yourself to understand it, you will see how this definition really applies in a real practical setting for a company that has actually put this definition to use. But once again, this is again a broad view of marketing. According to it, it's way beyond promotion or communication. It's in a nutshell taking customer-based insight or information or predictions and putting it to use. That's what marketing is. Bringing the customers into the organization to affect its decisions, actions, and design process and processes. It's very broad.